A new shift begins at the Ford assembly plant. Precision robotics and human expertise combine to build the next generation of the iconic Mustang GT, where every detail matters. Precise robotic systems shape the Mustang's body. Heavy presses and rapid-fire welding creates the frame. This delivers its iconic and muscular shape. Precision is absolute. Here, the Mustang's high-strength chassis takes shape. Robots position components with sub-millimeter accuracy, perfectly aligned. Precision is the foundation of the Mustang's legendary handling. Each control arm and damper is calibrated for absolute control. At the heart of every Mustang GT is its power plant. Precision begins with the V8 engine block. At the heart of every Mustang GT lies its power, a high-performance 5-liter V8 engine, where precision-engineered components meet exacting standards are met here. Precision is non-negotiable, especially when building the Mustang's heart. Precision is the absolute standard. Technicians connect the complex drivetrain. Robotic tools lock each bolt to spec. The Mustang GT is ready.
Aligning point, Ford 2. Lock it down.
Every V8 engine faces rigorous testing. Sensors monitor vital performance data, ensuring flawless power and durability. Precision is paramount. Highly articulate robotic arms position the suspension components. Technicians secure them. High-performance Brembo brakes are fitted to every Mustang GT. Technicians ensure precision alignment for maximum stopping power. Every panel on the Mustang GT is measured. Lasers ensure perfect alignment, guaranteeing a flawless finish. Before any paint is applied, the Mustang body must be flawlessly cleaned. Automated jets blast away every trace of residue, ensuring a perfect finish. Inside the paint booth, precision is paramount. Robotic arms apply a flawless, high-gloss finish, giving the Mustang GT its iconic look. Precise temperature control is vital. It creates that flawless, glass-like finish.
Inside the cabin, precision meets comfort. Technicians secure the performance seats. Every detail is flawlessly integrated, resulting in a truly premium driving environment.
Precision is paramount when installing the steering controls. Every connector ensures a seamless bond between car and driver. Mechanical and digital systems are now fully integrated. Each performance wheel and tire is precisely matched. Automated systems ensure highly precise robots mount the assembly to the hub. All fasteners are cured to exacting standards. During exterior finishing, technicians fit the signature lights. The grille and mirrors are precisely installed. The Mustang GT is now nearly complete. Every Mustang undergoes rigorous final testing. Technicians examine every panel for absolute precision. Advanced static scans leave no room for error. Only then is it ready for the open road. Every Mustang GT undergoes rigorous testing, fine-tuning the balance of power and precision to ensure track-ready performance. This is where icons are born.
Thanks for watching until now. Please do like and subscribe.